For the last decade, SpaceX revolutionized low Earth orbit by making rocket launches cheap and reusable. But there is a dirty secret in the aerospace industry that nobody talks about. Once you get past low Earth orbit, getting your satellite where it actually needs to go is still an absolute nightmare. If you want to place a communication or defense satellite into geostationary orbit, nearly 36,000 kilometers above the Earth, you are faced with a brutal choice. You either spend tens of millions of dollars on a dedicated heavy lift launch, or you take a cheap rideshare ticket and spend 6 to 9 months agonizingly spiraling upward through deadly radiation belts. That months-long transit burns up fuel, exposes expensive electronics to cosmic degradation, and delays revenue for companies by nearly a year. But everything is changing. Tom Mueller, employee number 1 at SpaceX and the legendary engineering mastermind behind the Merlin engine, has built a startup called Impulse Space, and they have just scaled up a program that acts as a literal semi-truck for the cosmos. Here is how space logistics just entered a brand new era. To understand why this is a monumental shift, we have to look at how space delivery evolved. When Tom Mueller left SpaceX after leading the propulsion development for the Falcon 9 and Dragon spacecraft, he noticed a glaring gap in the market. SpaceX solved the first mile, getting things out of Earth's gravity well. But the last mile, navigating deep space orbits, lunar transfers, and high-altitude slots, was still stuck in the 20th century. Traditional geostationary transfer orbits drop satellites off miles away from their final operating slot. To close that gap, satellite builders had to equip their own spacecraft with heavy, complex electric propulsion thrusters and massive fuel tanks just to complete the journey. That extra weight means massive manufacturing costs and lower payload capacities. Impulse Space realized that the satellite itself shouldn't be doing the heavy lifting. The delivery vehicle should. And that is where their revolutionary orbital transfer hardware comes into play.
Impulse Space didn't just build a concept, they engineered a modular fleet of in-space transportation vehicles. First came Mira, a nimble, dishwasher-sized orbital transfer vehicle designed to handle precise payload deployments and orbit adjustments in low Earth orbit. Mira uses high-performance bipropellant thrusters that have been thoroughly flight-proven on multiple SpaceX rideshare missions. But the true game-changer for high-altitude orbits is Helios. Powered by Impulse's custom-built Deneb engine, which burns liquid oxygen and liquid methane to generate a staggering 15,000 pounds force of vacuum thrust, Helios is designed as a heavy-duty upper stage. Sized precisely to fit inside a standard Falcon 9 or commercial heavy fairing, Helios can take up to 4,000 kilograms of satellite payloads dropped off in low orbit and haul them directly to geostationary orbit in under 24 hours. Instead of a 6-month crawl through radiation belts, payloads get a high-speed direct express ticket straight to their operational slot.
This engineering breakthrough unlocks an entirely new economic model, the GEO rideshare program. Much like SpaceX opened up low Earth orbit by letting small satellites share a ride, Impulse's program allows multiple commercial and government satellite operators to split the cost of a heavy transfer flight. Companies building smaller, high-agility telecom satellites no longer need to pay for an exclusive rocket. They can buy a slot on a Helios mission, get dropped off cleanly near their geostationary slot, and begin commercial operations almost immediately. Major operators and defense contractors are already signing multi-launch agreements, looking to secure reliable, rapid transit slots. By slashing transit times from months to a single day, satellite manufacturers can completely strip away heavy radiation shielding and excess propellant tanks, saving millions of dollars per spacecraft.
We are witnessing the transition of space from an era of isolated rocket launches into a fully interconnected transportation economy. When legendary propulsion pioneers turn their focus from simply leaving the planet to moving seamlessly across it, the entire framework of the space industry shifts. Impulse Space is proving that the future of aerospace isn't just about bigger rockets, it's about the smart, high-speed logistics that tie the solar system together. What do you think? Will in-space tugs completely replace traditional upper stages over the next decade? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for deep technical aerospace breakdowns, and we will see you in the next analysis.